Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading starting 15th of August. How we'll go about with the video is we'll see what are the energies for you starting 15th of August till the end of the month. And we'll also go ahead and take the Moonology Oracle card message for you. So let's quickly begin. The first card that I see for you is Three of Wands, King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. Now, Three of Pentacles means you are stuck in a situation. You're trying to free yourself, okay, from something from the past maybe, or maybe a very recent situation. It could also be a person, okay, that you're trying to free yourself from somebody, but you're stuck in that situation. You're not able to, move, or you're not able to take some action, and that's the reason why you're feeling stuck. You're not able to do anything, and you feel kind of a little bit helpless as well. Now let's take a card here to understand why we have Three of Wands there. So the reason why you're stuck in a situation is because of Five of Cups. Now for some of you it could be because of a relationship. Now what I'm seeing here is this relationship has gone through a bad patch maybe. You feel that everything is lost because these three cups have spilled over, but you're not looking behind. There is still those two cups, and there is always that possibility to go ahead and rebuild that entire relationship. All you need to do is let go of egos, okay, and just start again. Have that conversation, and then both of you can start again. But you're not able to do this because you're not turning back, and it looks like you have lost hope, okay, and that's why you are stuck here. Now the other card that I see for you is the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is a very powerful card. It means that you're doing well for yourself. Financially, you're doing really good, and that's something that a lot of people see about you. Now let me take another card here. That's the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles means that you want to offer one pentacle to this person. So it's not that you will be stuck in this energy. Eventually you will still take that risk. You will offer a pentacle and see if there is a possibility to build this all over again. Now the third card that I see for you is the Ten of Wands, which means you feel suppressed, exhausted, you feel everything is lost. Okay, this is kind of a burden and nothing can be done out of all this. Let's go ahead and take a card here to understand why do we have the Ten of Wands here. Now the Ten of Wands is followed by Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands means that you will go ahead and either initiate some conversation. So there's a very fast-paced communication coming your way, or you will receive a message, a text, a phone call, something from your person. Now it could also be the reverse situation, that you will go ahead and do this to this person wherein they are not planning to hear from you, but all of a sudden you'll decide to just pick up the phone and make that call. So that is also possible for some of you. Now let's go ahead and see what is the Moonology Oracle card message for you for the later part of this month. So the message that I see here for you is show the world the real you. Now this card's meaning is for full moon in Aquarius, and it means that if you're not showing the real person, okay, who is deep within you, then it is time that you show everybody in and around you the real person that you are. Okay, you don't have to shy away from anything. If there was something in your past, everybody has a past, okay. If there is something that you try to cover up, don't cover it up. Have a conversation, let people know. Okay, that's when you build credibility. That's when people will trust you. So the card is saying that just go ahead and trust yourself and show this entire world the real gem that you are. Okay, so that's the message that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.